guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna do some unboxing, and I'm gonna unbox a musical instrument, and it's gonna be my first time to learn this instrument, and it's gonna be a ukulele. Here it is. So I ordered this from Amazon, and I ordered it last night. I was just watching a YouTube video, and I loved the tune of the ukulele, and I was so inspired, and I thought like, I should also learn how to play the ukulele. I know how to play the guitar, but I also wanted to learn how to play this. So come join me as I unbox the ukulele. Let's see what's inside. Ta-da! So here it has a label. It's called Hricane. Hricane. So I don't know, maybe it's Hricane. And then it has this logo. It looks like CME. Yeah, I don't know. Just comment on my YouTube channel if I read it wrong. And let's open the box. What's inside? So it came with this packet and the bag, the gig bag. So let's see what's on the packet first. Okay, I will put this on my lap or else gonna fall. Okay, so let's see. First, it has a strap or a sling. There, it has a colorful sling. We're gonna attach this in our ukulele. Okay, let's set this aside. What else do they have? They have a polishing cloth. Okay, I'm gonna use this to wipe my ukulele, the strings of my ukulele. And they have a small bag. I think this is where I'm gonna put the polishing fabric. And what else? Okay, they have this cute. You can see. I love the color. It has this peak. So we're gonna put this as well in our pocket. And the string, nylon strings. So this is just for backup. The ukulele comes with the string in itself. So this is just for backup. And I'm gonna keep it here in the bag as well. And this is a digital tuner. So cute, so small. And see, let's turn it on. Ta-da! So you see the line? I haven't used the digital tuner yet, ever. But I think with this line, this is supposed to go in the center when you strum. If this line is in the center, that means that your string is in tune with whatever notes you wanted. Yeah. So this one, it has letter C. See, letter C, you can see. Is it visible? Yeah, it has letter C. So if you play the C, G, E, A. I think the ukulele is C, G, E, A. So we're gonna tune that later. We're gonna learn how to tune. And I'm gonna keep this in the bag. I'll turn this off first. I'm gonna keep it all in the bag. Good thing they have this bag. And they have instruction. It's important always to read the manual. after sale service card. Greetings from Betduck. Thank you for purchasing Hricane ukulele to make better use of your instrument and extend the service. Then this it has the list of how to take care of the ukulele. So this is important, so I'm gonna read this with you. Number 1, put the ukulele into the bag when you're not playing instead of putting on the ground or on the wall or flat on the table. So it has to be in the bag always. Number 2, don't put in the air conditioning room and not near the heating. It is very easy to hurt the instrument, sometimes hot and sometimes cold. Oh, I'm in an AC room, so maybe not near the vent. Okay, and I also have humidifiers, so I'd better place the ukulele somewhere away from the humidifier. Number 3, don't let instrument touch the water. Do not touch the ukuleles when your hand is not dry. So my hand should always be dry before I do the strumming and playing of the ukulele. And then the rest is all about the refund and the warranty. So thank you. Now let's go and see the ukulele. So it has this gig bag with embroidered label with the logo. It's cute, right? I like the logo. It's so artistic. And it has a zipper. Okay, so I think this is where I'm gonna put all the stuff that we saw a while ago. I'm gonna put this inside, and maybe later on I can put some chord notes in here in a small notebook, so it can be with me wherever I'll go. And let's close it. It has a holder here on the side, and it can be like a backpack. Oh, cool. It's so cute. I feel like you're in your secondary year or high school. And let's open now. Are you excited? I'm excited. Let's see. Dun 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 dun. Ta-da! So it's so secured. They have it covered. I'm wondering, should I still be using this when I'm not practicing? Should I still use this to cover the ukulele? Maybe. Right, so I'll better keep this. So okay, I'll put it here. And here it is. Isn't it pretty? This is made of mahogany wood, and look at the details. Nice, so beautiful with the strings. No, it's not in tune yet, so we're gonna use our digital tuner. And there it is. I don't know any chords in the ukulele. I'm still gonna learn it yet, so that's why I cannot play anything yet. But I'm sure you're gonna be excited for my next vlog. I'll be playing ukulele soon, but I still have to learn it first, of course. And let's see. Oh, it doesn't have a hole. So usually, like in my guitar in the Philippines, when I bought it, it has a hole here, and then like I can put some string and just display it in the wall. Maybe that's why they said in the instruction it says like it's not good to put it in the wall, so better put it and keep it in the bag. Okay, so see the back part there. See, this is the back part. And this is, I think I've read this is made of walnut wood. This one, walnut wood, and this one is mahogany wood. There. See? there. And look at the sides. Okay. This is just a beginner ukulele, by the way, so don't expect that this is like very expensive ukulele. This is just, I ordered just a beginner ukulele because I'm just a beginner, just trying to learn ukulele. It's so light, and I'm excited I can carry it anywhere since I've been always mobile. So I'm excited to have my next vlog and playing the ukulele, and thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy. Bye.